As we get ready to turn the calendar on 2020, we're excited to see walls coming up in the offices and all the finishing work complete on the T-hangers and the box hangers, in final preparation for taxiways to be laid very soon.
Box hangers being finished, the stucco is going in, the final paint work is being done on the main building.
All 11 Schweiss bifold doors are finally installed, going through operational checks and getting sheet metal installed. We've got valley gutters going in on the taxiways in final preparation for grading and asphalt to be applied.
Our underground storage tank is in and finished.
We've got steel studs going up in the maintenance building, and you can finally start to see this vision come to reality.
Looking forward to 2020. We're really excited about wrapping up our project, excited about the aspect of opening the doors first part of March.
We're excited for what the new year brings. Be sure to stay tuned at HNDhangers.com for more information.